So now let's look at common tags used in HTML. And again, tags are the building blocks for our HTML elements and thus our web page. So for example, if we wanted to write a paragraph on our web page or website, we would use the paragraph tags. If we wanted to use a heading on our web page, we would use the header tags. And there's different types of header tags, and we'll go into that in a second, such as H1 or H2. And they rank by numbers, so H1 being the biggest header and H2 a smaller header, H3 even smaller, all the way to H6, which is the smallest header. And of course, if we wanted to bold a word, we use the B tags, which is here. And then if we wanted to make a link, we would use an A tag. Similarly, if we wanted to use an image, we would use an image tag. And say, for example, we did not know all the tags. Like, what tag do we use for image? Simply Google HTML image tag. And there we go. If you click in W3 School, which is a great resource, it shows us the tag we would use to render an image. And now let's actually look at these tags and see how they start structuring our HTML page. So I have the code here. I have an H1 tag, an H2 tag, a paragraph tag. And notice I have the bold tag within the paragraph tag. This is a concept called nesting, a tag within a tag. Then we have our link tag here. So let's look at this. And again, I'm going to use my handy inspector tool. I do that by hitting right click and inspect. Click on this little button. And notice the H1 is the bigger tag, H2 is a smaller tag. We have our paragraph tag. Then we have the bold within our paragraph, and then we have our link tag. And see how all these tags, when put together, they form a basic simple web page.